Now it is a good time to use Linux, not just for, servers, but for a personal computer. To use Linux, you have to learn to use it. Now, I have heard about the cp command, but I have no idea what it does. Is that some illegal stuff? To learn about it, you can just type man cp. The man is from manual. And typing man and any other command will bring you a manual page from which you can learn about the command. Now, the cp command copies files and directories. Here is an example to use it. Before that, read the description. It says copy the source to the destination. Then see the example. It says cp option, for example, -t, then source to destination. Now, to know how many options there are and what they do, just scroll down and read. Press J to scroll down and K to scroll up. Press Q to exit. Now, to learn how to use the man command properly, just type man. And read this manual first. This is the best way to learn all the different commands of Linux. All you have to do is read.